everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Here I am about to share the topic of the day. Today in our World Tour series, we will delve into the Golden Land, the Myanmar or Burma. So be with us till the end to experience a refreshing illustration and know the stories behind the Golden Land, Myanmar. In this painting, we will see there is a fisherman fishing in Inle Lake with the incredible leg rowing. The dimensional view has given a beautiful touch to this painting. Since Myanmar started opening its door to the world, it has seen a surge in the number of foreign visitors coming into the country. Inle Lake is one of its most popular tourist attractions. It's calm and peaceful. Visitors adore the calmness of the lake as well as the beauty of the floating gardens. Located in the Shan state of Myanmar, Inle Lake is a huge freshwater lake. It is surrounded by mountain ranges from all sides. Aside from the scenic spot, this lake is also known for a traditional form of fishing practiced by the Intha fishermen. The people of the lake are called Intha. They have a unique way of catching fish in the shallow water. Those who have not seen this technique before will be surprised at how they made fishing possible without falling. Intha fishermen catch fish by standing on one leg on the extreme end of the boat, at the same time wrapping the other leg around the oar. These fishermen can't use the usual fishing technique where they simply sit down or throw a net to catch a fish. This is due to the number of reeds and water plants in the lake. If they sit, it is impossible to see where the fishes are. When they stand on one edge of the boat, they can have a better view of the waters. This also allows them to have the other hand free to collect the net while propelling the boat at the same time. And they also beat the water with a wooden stick so the fish can scare and come into the net. Now, who are these fishermen? Inthas are the Tibeto-Burman fishing families that you would see living on the lake. The lake has many floating villages, and a few villages were even half on land. Villages are made of wooden stilt houses. One or two canoes that let people move around the lake can be always found resting outside the house. Sometimes you would also see women washing clothes, bathing their children, cleaning vegetables on these canoes. The villages and the floating gardens on the lake are connected through a labyrinth of narrow canals running in and out of the villages. Myanmar or Burma, officially the Republic of Union of Myanmar, is a country in Southeast Asia, situated between India, China, Bangladesh, Laos and Thailand. Buddhism is the main religion in the country, and you can see that everywhere, especially in the number of pagodas which you can find on each corner. To explain in more detail, pagodas are very beautiful religious golden temples, and the reason why Myanmar is called the Golden Land. Almost everyone goes to the pagoda to pray for Buddha. So, did you like today's drawing session from our World Tour series, The Golden Land, Myanmar? Let us know about your thoughts in the comment section and any suggestion or feedback. If you like our drawing session and you want to know about different art forms and the stories behind it, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. We wish you a refreshing week with full of zeal and energy. Stay safe at home and take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye. Take care.